Child Care Services program is a one-year technical diploma. This program is embedded within our Early Childhood Associate's degree. So the whole first year of the Child Care Services program is the first year of the associate's degree. Students learn about foundations of early childhood education, they learn about history, they learn about theory, and then we also talk about family and community relationships. We talk about child guidance, which is a really big hot topic in the industry. And we talk about child development from infant and toddler to 3 to 8 years old.
There's a lot of different kind of parents, so like the different families and the culture are like what I'm seeing really that much and helped me learn in the course.
I grew up with 2 parents in education, so that really started my love for kids and teaching and all of that. So when I found this program, I looked online at different interviews and at the website, and I just was drawn to it. So I applied and I was accepted, and I've loved it ever since. So it's more project-based and you're learning hands-on. I feel like I have such like a grasp on certain things regarding like early childhood development and early childhood needs for children as well. So it's definitely, I feel like, giving me a step up.
A lot of people just grow up knowing that they want to work with little kids. And we love to have any person, as long as they love working with kids and they're interested in learning more about how to be proactive and to teach kids skills, those first 5 years are really a blueprint for what adults are like as they are older. So it's not rocket science, it's brain science. And so these early years are just so important.